everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to dive into one of the most revolutionary AI tools I've found recently, MGX or MetaGPT X. This isn't just another AI tool, it's literally your personal AI development team that works 24 hours a day to build anything you can imagine. Before I show you what MGX can do, let me ask you something. Have you ever had a brilliant idea for a website, app, or digital project, but got stuck because you don't know how to code? Hiring developers is expensive. Explaining your vision to freelancers is frustrating. Or maybe you can code, but don't have time to build everything yourself. If your answer is yes, then you definitely can't miss MGX. MetaGPT X is your complete personal AI agents team with multi-agent collaboration, where PMs, engineers, and analysts work together seamlessly. Versatile solutions that can handle everything from market research to fully functional websites. Boss mode that lets you check and approve the final output from each agent. Imagine having an entire development team at your fingertips, ready to build whatever you dream up. So, what can you build with MGX? The possibilities are honestly mind-blowing. Let me show you what real people have created using MGX. Interactive websites and portfolios, Minecraft-style games, mobile app prototypes, personal blogs with full functionality, data dashboards and visualizations, landing pages for businesses, mind mapping tools. Yes, these were actually created by MetaGPT X in just minutes. Not days, not weeks, minutes. Meet your AI team on MGX. So what exactly makes MGX so powerful? At its core, MGX is a multi-agent AI platform based on real software SOPs, standard operating procedures. Instead of just one AI assistant, you get an entire team of specialized AI agents, each with their own role. Mike, the team leader who coordinates everything. Emma, the product manager focused on features and user needs. Bob, the architect who designs the system. Alex, the engineer who writes production-ready code. David, the data analyst with a built-in notebook. The coolest part? These agents don't just work individually. They collaborate through a structured system built on 3 core design principles: workflow management, tasks progress through sequential execution phases with clear handoffs, structured communication. Collaboration happens through document/diagram exchanges in standardized formats. Executable feedback. Built-in self-correction mechanisms automatically validate outputs. You can chat with the whole team for strategic coordination or at specific agents for quick tactical actions, all while maintaining system integrity through these governing protocols. The boss mode feature of MGX. Now you might be thinking, but I don't want to lose control of my project. That's where the standout boss mode feature comes in. You're essentially the CEO of this AI team. You can check the final output from each agent, provide feedback to refine their work, monitor the entire development process, make executive decisions about project direction. It's like having your own software company at your fingertips. No more waiting for freelancers to respond or trying to explain your vision to developers who don't get it. Let me walk you through the actual process of using MGX. It's incredibly straightforward. First, head over to mgx.dev and sign up. They offer different plans, including a free option to try it out. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface where you can start a new project. Let's try creating something together. I'll type. I want a personal portfolio website with a dark theme, showcasing my photography work with a gallery section and contact form. Watch what happens next. Your AI team leader, Mike, immediately starts arranging the production tasks. On the left side of the page, you'll see the detailed steps of the entire website production, including the work arrangements of each AI team member. On the right side is a real-time display of the task execution process with all the code being generated. The PM Emma will define requirements, Bob will create the architecture, and Alex will start coding, all working together seamlessly. When the finished product is completed, you'll get a congratulations notification. If you're satisfied with the dev app, Just click the green rocket deploy button to promote it to the production environment. Not completely satisfied? No problem. Just enter your modification requirements in the dialog box. Your engineer Alex will provide improvement suggestions, like adding a blog function. You can select what you want and simply type at Alex optimize this in the chat. The website I just created in minutes would have taken me days to code myself or hundreds of dollars to outsource. MGX free version limitations. Before you dive in, I want to be transparent about what you get with the free version of MGX. It's quite powerful, but does come with some usage limits. You get 750,000 credits per day, approximately 3 to 5 small projects. A monthly cap of 2.5 million credits. Maximum of 5 user messages per chat, which means you need to be somewhat concise with your requirements and feedback. Projects expire after 7 days unless you upgrade. Queue times might be longer during peak hours. Some advanced features like custom domains aren't available. Think of the free tier as a robust trial that lets you experience the full power of MGX while still being generous enough to build real projects. If you find yourself hitting these limits, that's actually a good sign. It means you're getting value from the tool and might want to consider one of their paid plans. Even with these limitations, I was able to build a fully functional website on my first try, so don't let these constraints discourage you from giving it a shot. Why choose MGX over other AI tools? You might be wondering, there are lots of AI tools out there. What makes MGX special? As someone who's tried dozens of AI development tools, let me share my personal experience. True multi-agent collaboration. Unlike other AI tools that just pretend to have different roles, MGX actually has specialized agents that think differently based on their roles. The PM thinks about user needs, while the engineer focuses on code quality, production-ready output. Most AI coding tools generate buggy, incomplete code that needs heavy editing. MGX produces code that actually works right out of the box. Natural communication. With other tools, I spent hours learning how to prompt correctly. With MGX, I just describe what I want in plain English, and the team understands. Iteration speed. When I need changes, I don't have to re-explain my entire project. The team remembers everything and makes targeted improvements. Value for money. Compared to hiring freelancers or using multiple specialized AI tools, MGX is incredibly cost-effective for what it delivers. Real-world applications. The versatility of MGX means it's useful for so many different people. For entrepreneurs, quickly prototype your startup ideas without hiring developers. For marketers, create landing pages and interactive content without coding knowledge. For developers, focus on the complex parts of your projects while MGX handles the boilerplate. For students, build impressive portfolio projects even if you're still learning to code. For content creators, create interactive experiences for your audience. If you're a developer, entrepreneur, or just someone with ideas you want to bring to life, MGX could be a game changer for you. It's like having a 24/7 development team that never sleeps, never complains, and works tirelessly to turn your ideas into reality. What would you build with your own AI development team? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tool reviews. Until next time, keep innovating.